This Keller Real Estate and Insurance Agency property video is presented by Joe Cotton. Almost country with picturesque hilltop view is this maintenance-free home with new vinyl siding and replacement windows, spacious living room with west/B fireplace and large family room also with west/B fireplace in the basement. It also features a newly remodeled kitchen, dining room, 4 bedrooms including modern master suite with bath and walk-in closet. Let's head outside to a beautiful backyard with a new deck, shed, pergola, and concrete fire pit area. This home also boasts a new hail-resistant roof, dining area garage, and sprinklers. Top it off with a sunset view through breathtaking pine trees, and this home has it all. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Cotton at 620-792-2128.